All right. This is the trade I took in the morning. MGM. I had this in my watch list from yesterday, and there was a news on it right at around like 9 o'clock. So my initial idea with the stock was to have a shot at around 2166, that monthly pivot. Definitely with ideas about having an ad at around 2370 level. Okay, so that was before I came to know about the news. So as soon as I got I saw the news, my ideas changed. So I definitely wanted to shot it here at 2370. So I did keep an open order with a pretty big size at around 2370. But at the same time, I had a small feeler position here at around 2165. So it was a pretty tiny position here. I just wanted to have my focus on this stock. Normally I kind of drifts off as soon as the open starts, and I completely forget about the stock. So this happens to me a lot. So I kind of wanted to have my attention on this. So I had a tiny position here, and like another tiny position here at around 23. So I was waiting for this to happen. Like almost gave up purely because kind of spiked right before the open. Normally when that happens, a spike and a drop before the open, it kind of continues low. So I thought, okay, this probably is not the trade. I don't probably get this trade. So although it dipped below 23, it came back to around 22 levels. It did a quick spike, like almost $2 spike to 2370. So bingo, I got my trade in. I got my position. I alerted the room right before I got my order filled in. I alerted the room at around 2350, somewhere there. Okay, so I took this trade. I think I had an average around 2365 somewhere with this tiny positions on. So I had like 2365 was my average. My first fill was around 2285, which was just above the VWAP, and the rest was around 22s, 22.8 or somewhere there, like somewhere here. So looking back, I mean, this was a pretty good trade, but looking back now, I could have held on to at least this monthly pivot, which was in hindsight looks a pretty decent level. But I thought, okay, this low here that it bounced from, like just at the open, I thought probably that's gonna hold. So I kind of for that probably like 2 minutes, it kind of did that bounce. I thought probably it will go back to this monthly and quarterly pivot stack up. Did not. It continued flushing. It actually came and it tested this 5 minute 20 moving average and bounced from there to VWAP. All in all, it's a pretty good, pretty decent trade. The reason why I wanted to make this review is preparation kind of makes you aware of the levels even before you go back and see those charts. So I knew that there was a plenty of like stack up. So I don't normally trade based on weekly pivot alone, but if you see, there was stack of monthly pivot, quarterly pivot, and weekly pivot at around the same area. When you see something like having this kind of confluence of things that many people are watching, it kind of gives you a lot more conviction. Okay, yeah, that's my trade on MGM. Anyways, that's about it. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.